Hey guys, Back Gaming here, and today I'm gonna be doing a review on this new vacuum that I got for Christmas. Excuse my dog. This is the Hoover Max Life Total Home Pet. So yeah, this vacuum that I got for Christmas, and the reason why I didn't bought this for Christmas. My mom gave me this for Christmas, and apparently I never had her use this machine, but I know that this one is cheap, but well, I'm not sure how a good job this one does, but we'll see. And this thing's right here is a pretty good vacuum, and I know it's cheap, but it depends on how a good job it does from vacuuming. So, and this thing's pretty cool. And so we'll see what it does. So I'll do this review. You've got the height adjustments, go from bare floor to low, high pile carpet. Might put it on the floor. Here's this brush roll. Show you guys a little bit closer so you can see. Right here is got this brush roll. It looks pretty nice. Right here, says wind tunnel, and also it does. I'm not sure how good jobs, because what it says on the box, it has the deep cleaning. So got the Hoover logo right there, and the dirt cup to release. You push this button, and here's the dirt bin. And this is where you empty by pushing this silver button. You also got this cyclone filter. And you got this filter right here on the bottom. You just push it. And this filter looks pretty brand new. And right here it says cleaning the filter located and remove filters. So it shows you what it says. And then just put this dirt cup back on. Snap the place. And the tools you get is this turbo brush. So and it snaps in place. Sorry. You've got this flexible dusting brush where you you could use it to flex it, push it forward or backwards. So I might try this one out. And you also got the short crevice tool. You also got the Hepa filter right here on the back. So you see this nice looking Hepa filter. And if I could get this. Stupid filter. It just wants to be a big pain in the butt to put it back on. And you got the hose. Well, first of all, I'll move this cord out the way. Here's this cord. It's not really that long, but then the hose to release, you just push this silver button and it removes. And you can see this hose is not really, well, it is pretty long, so. And then you just, snaps in right in place, and just hook this one back on. You got this cord clip right there to hook the cord. You also got your on and off switch and your foot release. So you just press it and it release. And so, like I said, here's the cord, which is not that long. So yeah, without further ado, I will go ahead and do a demonstration. bad. And not sure how much dirt that it. Oh, it picked up a little bit of a dirt. So yeah, so I hope you'll enjoy this video of the Hoover Max Life Total Home Pet. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys all later. Peace.